So today I'm gonna show you how to replace the air filter on Benelli TRK 702X provided in 2024. First of all, you need to unscrew here 4 nuts and as well as unscrew 6 nuts here, 3 on the left side, 3 on the right. So, since I'm making it for the first time too, I understand that to remove this part, you have to unscrew and remove here block. To remove it, you have to unscrew here and here. So on this side, it's still not removed. That's the next step. It holds also on these parts. So a little bit more information about how much you need to unscrew. First of all, here and here, then somewhere else, then 2 on the bottom, 2 on the lower side. It's like something on the bottom, but from the front, and then just easily remove this side part. So I finally removed the side plastic and find that here's 2 more screws to remove this plastic part. So I will unscrew them and we'll see what will be the next one. So the next step is to unscrew these 2 nuts and we'll see what will happen. Will be the tank already removable or not. Probably I will need to unscrew here too, but I don't know, we'll check. So yes, same as I mentioned before, I unscrewed this part. It's already moving, but it's holding here. So here is just unscrew how much? 4 screws, 2 nuts, and probably it will be possible already to change an oil filter. The old air filter, it's pretty dirty, but not so much as I expected. And here's the new one, still packed. It looks a bit different. There's something here to make it better. So just one more time to keep in mind what to need: unscrew and screw back. This in the center, this one. These two are different. You can see on the cap it's a bit different. Here on the side, this one is different from this one. So I can, in conclusion, say that like these parts, these screws that are going to plastic to plastic, all are the same, and only a few of them are the different here, and probably somewhere here, as I remember, they're a little bit longer, so I screw it back to know where to put them. So I screw everything back to their places, 2 screws left, usual. What can I say? It took a bit longer than I expected, because to remove the tank you have to remove almost whole front part of the plastic. That's why it's not so good. But anyway, I'm changing it first time in 17,000 kilometers, so once per 2 years. And I suppose it's okay to invest like 1 hour, and basically that's it. Subscribe to the channel. I will post some extra videos, another type, because I have to remove or change the sensor of the back brakes, and probably maybe some other stuff to do on this bike. Yeah, we'll see it.